All right. My video only lets me go so long, so I had to wait, and now I'm back, and I'm still stringing my beads on my pipe cleaner. I think I'm going to try to do one more set, and then I'm going to stop. I started with a white. I'm going to try to end with a white. All right, for my last bead, I'm going to do the same thing that I did. So my bead is not all the way up next to this one, but it's a little bit here. So I'm going to take the top and I'm going to bend it over so it wraps around this top bead, so that way my beads don't fall off. So now I have a straight line of beautiful Christmas colored beads, and I want to make this a candy cane by putting a little curl to it. There's my candy cane. Now you have your first craft from Canada, a holiday candy cane. You can hang this on your tree, or you can stick it in your suitcase if you want to keep it there. The last thing that we have to do is to get our passport stamp. One of the things that people who have passports and travel enjoy doing is getting stamps from the places that they visit. So this that I had you cut out is your passport stamp. We're going to use a glue stick, if I can grab it. Use a glue stick. Put a little bit of glue just on the back. And then you can stick this anywhere on your suitcase. You can stick this anywhere on your suitcase. And we're going to stick one of these on our suitcase for every place that we visit. And how did you like Canada? It was so much fun, right? I hope that you had fun, and I can't wait to see you on our next stop of this adventure.